Hey everybody, it's Josh with Great American RV, and today we're continuing our Deals on Wheels series on the toy hauler section. And today we've got the Grand Design Momentum 414M. Come along and check this big sucker out. All right, there's a lot of features on the exterior that I can't live without. You've got an all built-in generator. This is a gas generator that's gonna feed off the fuel tank in the back that does have its own nozzle as a 60-gallon gas fuel tank to be able to live off the grid on this particular RV. You got pass-through storage. You can see your central vac system in there. You're also gonna notice your solar disconnect in there because you do already have solar on the roof of this RV. You got a quick spray connect out here if you're outside. You get muddy, you get dirty, you can spray your feet off, spray the dogs, spray the kids. You got two outside electric awnings, one here, and then wait, there's a third one back here. So you got a full awning spread out here on this side of the RV. You're gonna notice this is a triple axle toy hauler with those Cooper rated tires underneath, 6-point hydraulic auto leveling system, the easy fold up, more ride steps on that door, on this door to enter into this 14-foot toy box as we go inside and check this thing out. All right, I'm standing inside of this, like I said, 14-foot toy box with a half bath in this garage, but you also give you the 3-season garage doors. We can have this thing nicely insulated. We can drop these windows down, give a little bit more air insulation in here and air passing through, or we can walk right outside this door, get right back on our back patio here. It is blocked off and closed off. You can put the kids out there, put the dogs out there, and they already have the 3 built-in tracks in the floor that are mounted into the actual frame, and you can move these D-rings across this track system to be able to strap down and keep secure whatever your toys might be. In this 3AC toy hauler Momentum, you've got one in the toy box, one right here in this main living space, which you typically have to sacrifice by getting a toy hauler. You don't have to sacrifice in this 414. You get this big L-shaped couch, recliners all over the place, a standalone table and chairs over here, plenty of cabinetry space, a big residential style fridge and pull-out freezer right across from your nice gourmet kitchen with GE profile appliances, full-size oven. You can cook a turkey in that thing, 4-burner cooktop, a GE microwave, which is full-size just like your house, and cabinetry to be able to fit more than enough stuff to bring along with you. If all the features I hadn't mentioned aren't enough already, let's get some more. We got a tankless on-demand water heater. You got a fully enclosed and nice residential drop-down-in shower. Gives you more head height room, a seat, a nice residential shower, and water fixtures here. Porcelain toilet. Coming into the bedroom, this is a nice master bedroom with its own bed slide to be able to give you a king-size walk-around bed. Extra drawers over here. Hidden, but not so hidden anymore, spot up top. You have nice cabinetry back here. It's its own standalone hanging spot. And then additional washer and dryer prep station here, or you can have it how we have it outfitted right now with the extra shelves and then additional cabinetry space over here. There's plenty of room to be able to get off the grid, camp in style, live in luxury in this 414M.